Let's spell our words, okay? Word number 1. Cake. C A K E. Now you repeat. C A K E. Cake. Now just you. Excellent. Look, it's very easy. Make a cake. Make a cake. Make a cake. Good. Word number 2. Candle. C A N no D L E. Candle. You repeat. C A N D L E. Candle. One more time, just you. Excellent. Now look, guys, it's like can, D-L-E, can, D-L-E, can, D-L-E. Good. Word number 3. Cut. C U and T. Cut. Repeat. C U T. Cut. Now you. C-U-T. Cut. Word number 4. Pour. Now that's easy. P O U R. Repeat. P O U R. Pour. Now you. Excellent. Look. 4 pour. 4 pour. Word number 5. Flower. F L O U R. Flower. Repeat. F L O U R. Flower. Now you. Flower. Excellent. Word number 6. Sugar. S U G A R. Repeat. S. U. G. A. R. Sugar. Now you. Bravo. And word number 7. That's right, kilo. K. K. Where are you, K? I can't see. Oh, there you are. K. Kilo. K. I. L. O. Kilo. Repeat. K. I. L. O. Kilo. Now you. Kilo. Excellent. Now you're ready.